Hello, this is Austin, and this is a ecology project. Right now, I'm filming what it seems to be 3 same species on this tree right here, and it seems like this tree is their spot or their territory. But as you can see, there seems to be no competition yet. If they were to have competition, it would be intra competition, but they might have inter competition. But it seems like, as you can see over here as well, that you don't see any other different species in this area. So for territory reasons, it would be mostly intra competition. However, there is the possibility of inter competition happening, but for right now, this hour, there doesn't seem to be that happening. And another observation, it seems like there is a lot of competition happening because the territory that they are going through is different territorial trees. So if they don't like their spot, they could always just move to another spot. So not much competition there. There you go. And you can see they go from place to place. If new species arrive, they just move to a different spot. These species seem to be able to adapt into a new environment or a new place. So yeah. Ooh, another observation is that, there's a pigeon that just flew in. That is, and then there's a different species, which is not a pigeon. That bird right there. And it looks like 2 different species are in the same area. But it doesn't seem like they're competing. It looks like they're more of sharing. So yeah, different species could get along in the same area, and same species can also be in different areas as well.